Employers aren't just looking for what you know, they want to see what you can build. The AI Capstone is a hands-on course where you turn the foundations from the rest of the program into a working AI application. A portfolio-ready project that shows you can solve real problems with AI. You'll design, build, evaluate, and deploy an end-to-end solution using modern tools, open source models, and professional software practices. Whether you're working with large language models, computer vision, or reasoning agents, you'll navigate the same challenges AI professionals face: scoping, model selection, evaluation, and responsible deployment. Faculty and TAs guide you along the way, and the course culminates in a live showcase of your work. Graduate with more than a degree, graduate with proof of what you can build.